Wait, is this camera on? It's kinda dark. Yeah, shut on my light. Ah, much better. Oh, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm your host, Kevin here. So today, I would like to explain on how you install the ribbon for Evolis Avansia and also uninstall. But I'm gonna do the uninstall first though. So without further ado, roll the intro. So this is the Evolis Avansia ribbon. This is the ribbon that is gonna go inside the Evolis. Okay, as you can see, there is inside there. Teach you on how to install and uninstall it. After you see that, I'll show you on how do you uninstall the ribbon. I see there's a spring below there, purple spring on that side. So what I want you to do is like, yes, it's like that. Just press it, push it to the side, like this. Pull it first. Okay, now we're gonna take out the other part, which is on the left side, and there you go. And that's how you uninstall the ribbon from the Evolis Avansia cartridge. And that is how you uninstall the ribbon from the cartridge. After we uninstall the ribbon, we're gonna teach you on how to install back into the cartridge. So you want to enter one side first. Either way you can do it. Press it inside and slide it in. Done. There you go. Make sure it's neat and tidy, and slide it in, and done. And that's how you install the ribbon inside the Evolis Avansia ribbon cartridge. This is how you install and uninstall. So don't forget to like the video. If you want some more content, subscribe to the channel, and if you want to get an update on all videos that we gotta post, don't forget to click that notification bell. So if more information, just link in the description below. Just down there, just scroll down there, you'll find the links. And I'll see y'all in the next vids. Bye!